A glowing metal sphere hangs suspended in the dark, cast in a blinding, intense white-yellow thermal glow that bleeds into deep orange. It pulses with a raw, ancient heat, held tight by steel tongs against a silent background. The air around it shimmers, heavy with the weight of unseen energy. Without warning, the sphere plunges into a basin of freezing liquid, rendered in deep, chilling shades of indigo and violet. A violent, instantaneous burst of thermal energy erupts as the water turns into a swirling nebula of neon orange steam, spiraling upward in complex, hypnotic patterns. The battle between fire and ice begins. The camera orbits the glass bowl slowly, capturing the chaotic dance of heat waves rippling through the cold blue depths. Bubbles form around the sphere, glowing like trapped fireflies, rising and popping with sharp, distinct acoustic cracks. As the water temperature spikes, the colors shift from deep purple to vibrant emerald, then rapidly into piercing yellows as the thermal energy spreads. More ice cubes slide into the frame, hitting the water with a rhythmic splash. They dissolve instantly, leaving behind glowing, jagged trails of cold blue that vanish into the surging heat. The steam clouds thicken, spiraling into elegant, translucent ribbons that fill the screen with shifting thermal gradients. Every bubble collision creates a small, satisfying flare of heat, mapped perfectly by the camera. The intensity peaks as the liquid turns into a turbulent, kaleidoscopic storm of color, balancing the sharp edge of the heat against the vast, dark cold of the basin. Gradually, the violent swirling slows. The sphere dims from its brilliant white to a steady, glowing red. The thermal currents soften, stretching into long, graceful ribbons that drift through the water like cooling silk. The once violent storm is now a gentle hum of fading energy. The steam rises in thin, rhythmic wisps, fading into the dark void. A final, lingering shot captures the calm, glowing sphere resting at the bottom, surrounded by a dying halo of soft, warm light. The screen fades to black, leaving only the whisper. This is why thermal cameras are so incredibly satisfying. Which experiment should I film next? Comment below.